Welcome to day 7 of vlogmas from Freddie and myself. Let's take the painty paper we created yesterday and make it into a zine. Let me show you. So what you want to do is fold your piece of paper in half again, and then half again, squashing it all down. And then you want to fold it up. You want to be cutting down just the middle there, and unfold it, fold it that way, and look, you make a wide mouth frog and pop it together. And it makes, ta-da, a tiny magazine. Started putting some stickers on and a little bit of tissue paper. I don't know who sent me this, but I love it. Thank you. I've torn out the red bird. When a red bird appears, a loved one is near. I've used one of my little homemade stickers as well. Popped a little bit of red pen on there. Flo's got my red pen at the moment, haven't you, Flo? She must be creating. Got these little flat back pearls. I can pop one of those in the middle of that snowflake. It's just a case of, that's not too sticky. Building up a few layers. I like to use the word hope. I have a few stamped off ready. Oh, these ones are nice because they've got some blue ink. Let's use these ones. Let's have those ready. Yeah, no right or wrong. You decorate this how you want to. Look at this dear little bunny, and he's got footprints in the snow. Oh, that is so lovely. Where shall we put him? Oh, he is gorgeous. Yeah, let's just pop him in, shall we? It'd be nice to make some photo corners. Let's get this out. And cut some little triangles. For photo corners. Oh, that'd make a nice page tab, wouldn't it? Let's fold that over. There we are. Pop that on in here. Oh, it'll be nice near the candy cane page. Oh, hold on. That's it. Just pop that over and I can Oh, I can outline that and stick something on there later. It's just a case of building up layers on our collages and in our little books. Let's put some glue on each corner. Oh, yes. There we are. It just helps him to stand out on that snowy background. You can still see some of Sam's writing there as well. I've got a list of December quotes here from last year from the community quotes. I printed them off. I'll leave a link below, or you can open up the document and copy them down. I'm going to pop some of those in my little zine. I've got a Christmas card, and this was from Beth and Joe last year, and there's some bits to play with in there too. I mustn't have got round to doing it last year. Oh, look. Some little fairies. They're lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Shall I put one of those in? Yes, let's do that. Oh, they're stickers. That's it. Oh. Just gonna pop them in anywhere. Oh, that's lovely, Beth. You might not get round to using things straight away, but yeah, you do get round to them. Oh, that's nice. We'll pop that for another day. Oh, that'll be nice in there. That'll make a lovely pocket there. Oh, let's write the words joy on there, shall we? Oh, these fairies are gorgeous, thank you. This is a napkin, and Beth has taken the backing off already. Thank you, Beth. Wonderful. I've got anything on the front. I've got a snowman. I could have the words joy on the front. Yes, let's do that. Why not? Cover it in glue. And then the napkin just slips into the background. I'm going to fold that over. When this is all dry, I will add some silver pen. I'm going to let this dry. Let me read out some of these quotes I've chosen for today. Where's that silver pen? I'll put it out ready. Gold, silver. You got it, Flo. Oh, no, she's got the red. I love my shiny pens. You forget which pencil case you put them in, don't you? Oh, there we are. Just an ordinary W.H. Smith one, but that is so shiny. That's what I was looking for. Brilliant. Remember, you are good enough just as you are. Oh, thank you, Jodie Ann. You are not alone. Peace begins when expectations end. Oh, that's lovely. Self-care is not selfish. Slow progress is still progress. Oh, thank you, Kristen. Oh, lovely. I'm going to let this all dry. So much mistletoe. These little bunches of mistletoe on this tree. It's amazing. Oh, mistletoe. Amazing, isn't it? Let's make an envelope because I'm going to send this away like a Christmas card. Get you closer. That's it. Remember I was saying if you get cards you can use the envelopes as a little template. Oh, wonderful. Let's see, is this piece of painted paper big enough? Oh yes, it is. Cut it out. And then all these little bits are going to be lovely in my Christmas journal. Right, let's see, how do we fold it? Oh, the round bit at the top. You have to refer back to your original envelope. Well, I do. There you go. And fold it up. Now you can stick yours with glue or you can sew yours on the sewing machine. I've got to get Serafina out anyway to... that's it. Oh, lovely. I've still managed to make it wonky, of course, because this is me. I've got to get that out, the Serafina out anyway, to do my bunting for the day. So, yeah, I'm going to sew round the envelope. And then I'll put a white sticker there for the address. Will that fit in? Oh, yes, it will. Just checking. Oh, keep that in my envelope drawer because that's a good template. There's Mo looking after all the happy mail. Right, let's put this in the envelope drawer. That's it. New envelopes and envelope templates. Right, here's Serafina. Just show you the ideas board quickly. I love it. Oh, and Lisa drew me this fairy. We are still fitting pieces. Oh, it's so tricky. Look at what we're dealing with here. Amazing. Have you any ideas what shape it could be? Do you know, it's dry. I think I'll put the silver pen on now. You know, you can, if you want to, you can seal it up at the bottom and put tags inside and then at the top as well. I don't want mine to be too bulky because it's going through the post, through the mail. Oh, look, let's just put some silver edges and accents on here. Haven't added any hearts to this, have I? I'm going to cut out some hearts in a minute because I always add hearts to mine. Just take some of this painty paper. That's why painty paper is just so handy to have. Cut out some wonky hearts. There. Now that really needs to dry. There we are. Fold it out like that while we get Serafina. Have a look at your page, Flo. Let's have a look. What did you create? Oh, that's lovely, Flo. One thing is for sure, we will get through this together. Oh, thank you, Kat. Oh, yes. Ah, thanks for sharing, Flo. Getting situated. Oh, cosy. Oh, day 7's bunting. Just using a rounded paintbrush. Seems to be working well for me most days. Now. Oh, lovely. Flower fairy fabric. Shall we light a candle? It's just that little bit of time to slow down and reflect and take care, everyone. Bye. I woke you up, didn't I? Here you go, everyone. Sam's turned it over so you can see. You're going to fit that bit in. Can you tell what it is yet? Little fox goes there. Oh, yes. I'm loving it. You can definitely see, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's walking